y'all, we're out here at my grandpa's farm. We're doing some mowing today with our zero turn. We got about 3 hours today and we gotta get some fuel before we start. But we just filled it up with gas and we're gonna have to go mow some tall grass over by the barn. Let me move this gas hose real quick because that would be absolutely terrible if I ran that over. I ran over a good many things in my day, and I don't want that to be one of them. So we just made it over to the first place we're gonna mow. There's some pretty tall grass over here. Hasn't been mowed in a couple weeks, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Let me just get my earplugs in and we'll be ready to roll. All that up. A little bit choppy because it was so tall, but we'll smooth it out next time. Well, I need to buckle up. Safety first, you know. Click it or ticket. So we just finished everything over here. Some pretty nice stripes if I do say so myself. But now we're time to head over here and do this part. Alright, so we just got finished over here. Took us about probably 20 minutes and yeah, I think we probably have about 2 hours left. We have all this over here in front of this building, and over there by the house, and then all of that over there by the driveway. But yeah, let's get her going. So I thought I had everything ready for today. And then I got here and my tripod, I forgot to bring my phone mount. So it's just the tripod. So I'm gonna try and rig something out and get y'all some video. But I hope y'all are enjoying so far. So guys, I rigged something up. Don't got the tripod mount, but I got a mount on a tripod. It's a double mount. We have a lot of leftover deck boards just laying in the grass, so I'm gonna take all these out real quick. Because that would be a mess if I didn't. Finished everything around the house and over by the building, just about everything except for the driveway. So I guess let's get on to that. So we just finished everything on this side of the bridge, and then we have to go do the other side of the bridge on the driveway, and that should be about it. So we just finished everything out here at my grandpa's farm. It ended up taking us about 4 hours or so. But we got it all done, and it's supposed to be really hot next week and no rain. So I don't think I'll have to mow it again for a while, but I hope y'all enjoyed and have a blessed day. Now, rolling earplugs, this is an art. See, you have to roll with firm force. That way they stick in your ears, because if not, they have to be to the right diameter, so that way they don't fall out. But I think we're good.